What's up? Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you the new road they're about to construct here in Abuko. Yeah, so guys, without wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and cross the road and show you guys how the new road they're about to construct looks. So guys, this is the Abuko School Junction. As you can see, and this is the road. This is the way. Guys, let me just cross the road first. So guys, the way the camera is facing, it leads to Brikama and Lamen. This other side leads to Banjul, Serakunda and Wesu. So this is the, guys, I just want to cross the road first. So guys, this is the new road here. As you guys can see, yeah, they already do the pavement. Just take a look, guys. Yeah, they already do the pavement. Guys, I'm in Abuko. This is the new road they're about to construct here. Just take a look, guys. They already did the pavement, and this is how this environment looks here. I'm walking towards the Abuko Upper and Senior Secondary School. Yep. This is the Gambia, West Africa. Wow. It's been a while. I don't come to this neighborhood here in Abuko. Wow. Guys, this new road they're about to construct here will really change the look of this environment. Yep. Yeah. I'm almost at the Abuko Upper and Senior Secondary School. Yep. And then guys, I started the video all the way from there. Taekwondo. Those are school children who close from school, going back home. Yeah. So this is the main gate of Abuko Upper Basic School. Here is the main gate of the school. Here. Guys, if you watch the video till here, just kindly do me a favor by clicking that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. It helps YouTube to push the video to larger audience, people like you watching. Yeah, this is deep inside Abuko. Yeah, I'm showing you the neighborhood plus the new road they're about to construct here. Yeah, just take a look. Wow. This is the Gambia. Just look at that guy sitting on the trunk of that car. Wow. Those are second-hand clothes for sale. Allahu Akbar. Guys, it's been like years. Guys, it's been like years I don't come to this neighborhood. Maybe like 5 years or 4 years. Yeah. And then a lot have been changed here. A lot. Because I can see new buildings. Yeah. So guys, this is all what I have for you in today's video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. It's your boy Prince Seka, boy from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. See you on the next video. Love you all. Bye. This is all what I have for you here in Abuko, the Gambia, West Africa. I'm out. Peace.